What's up, y'all? It's your boy ATM. Yo, guys, welcome back to the channel. How you guys doing? I hope each and every one of you guys are doing good. Before we get started out with the video, you guys already know what to do. Scroll down below, hit the like button. Also, show some love by hitting that subscribe button. All the road to 1,000 subscribers. I'm late with these reaction videos. I don't know. I feel like this stuff is like kind of interesting. That's why I'm doing it. But what I got for you guys, we're on Dub channel now. And this title is My Brother Took My Sister's 25,000 watch, so I bought her a new one. So I guess Dub bought his sister a new watch. Don't want to waste any time. Let's get straight into the video. Let's go.
You can stop the rain when it starts to pour.
All right, Dub.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Dub, and I'm back for another video.
What's
and it's happening again, bro. My brother is literally irritating and stressing out my little sister.
I'm 30. Oh my
no
goodness,
reason,
I'm
bro.
late to this.
Let me tell you this, though.
Like
I don't know
days.
if the nigga needs some money. I don't know if you know, somebody copyrighted his music. Maybach, he needs his payment for his Maybach. But my brother bought my little sister a watch in front of her boyfriend, as y'all can see here.
All right, you got it? 3, 2, 1, open.
No!
I haven't seen this.
No, hell no. Fuck no. Fuck no. Are you serious? Oh! Bust down, TT, nigga! Ah!
And what he did is took it back, as you can see here.
That's an ad right here. I like how that played out. That's in the Scream movie. I want to take somebody down to go see it. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know if you want that to be a vlog. It might be.
Give me the watch.
Oh! No, mama.
It's either you get, it's either, it's either you give me the watch, or he gotta go.
This is
What I'm gonna
crazy.
do today is
What you about to do?
always save the day. I understand that people have to grow up, get in relationships. You know, I understand that, and I guess that's something that he don't understand. So I'm gonna make it right with my sister, like I always do, and replace her watch. Really can't stop the rain, bro. Bad joke. Ill joke.
Is that an Algo song?
It says fine jury right there. And
Yeah,
that's all I'm delivering to my
with?
sister is fine jury. So what we gonna do is really just ease her mind from losing her bust down and get her another one. That's what we gonna do today.
That
Just
got
give her
bust down
another
at
one
Walmart?
to make her feel whole again. Make her feel icy again, you know? Cause she probably had some warm water and wanted to make it icy and, you know, dip her watch in it, but he took it. So we finna change that so she can do it again. You feel me? Bro, I've been waiting here for 6 minutes for some service, bro. Guess they don't want this money, man. I legit been waiting for somebody to come, so now I'm about his cash register to use his phone, see if somebody will pick up. Excuse me, can you get somebody to help me over here? He's fine, right?
Why the alarm going off?
Is that paper right here?
Finally.
Oh! Come on!
Riff.
You would've made a mistake and hit me, you would've got wicked. I can hear you. This nigga trying to hit me, dude. Let me see your wrist. How you feel?
Playing.
This feels too light now.
Before you had your watch, you was like making like everything cold, didn't you? How was it like drinking like hot stuff?
It's weird now. I don't know.
Shit, I had to watch
You
for
started
like, what?
listening to Gucci
like
Man,
4
like
days?
Icy Boys and stuff, wasn't it? We had
5
to
days?
watch
Something
them.
like that.
Where your watch at? Man, so how you feel? I already asked you
I
that.
don't know how I feel.
So you,
You know how when you don't feel sad, but you don't feel happy. You just in the middle. You just don't know how to feel.
yeah.
Oh.
That's how I feel.
So I got you something. Cause I know you still want to be icy. You know what I mean? So I got you something. I mean, listen. I ain't want to get you another Cardi because it's like, you know, why would I get you another Cardi? So I got you something even better.
I'm scared. Let me see what you got.
No reaction at all. Damn. Damn.
$15. That's nice.
That bracelets? Bracelets? Little, like a little Cartier little thing.
Oh, it
It's
don't.
not called Cartier, it's called Fulo. Fulio.
Oh, that's really cute. Try it out. I can't. You gotta get some scissors.
Oh, yeah, it's probably. Try it on, TG. This nigga hit me, it's gonna get wicked in this bitch.
It's a little light.
Why you put the bracelet on? Forget the bracelet.
I thought it was all.
That's what it is sliding though.
You know the
Oh my god.
Cartier was hard to open.
Yeah.
That's how you knew it was expensive. Cause
Was
you
that
had
one
to-
easy? We ain't got that much time to waste. Yeah.
Nah.
So big, you have to get size or you can
Nah.
sit.
Nah, you get size. Yeah. Can you fit this?
I can barely see the watch.
Nice little combo.
What's this?
Oh, there you go.
Oh, you gotta get some leaks taken out there too. That's cool.
Your receipt. In case you wanna like take it back to get your little car or something.
Oh my gosh,
This is
that is
Walmart?
funny.
Hey, check out her stuff. Her new watch. Cause my brother took it. Yeah, my brother took her old watch. I got her a new one.
That's chill. I mean, it ain't the same, but
It's chilly.
it's too big.
I know the other one was a little bit too big, but we get some links out of it.
But just, I mean,
It's from Walmart. $15.
17.
Yeah, I had to talk 17.
but the other one was like
It's just Cardi.
The other one was
Yeah,
20,
man.
25.
25. I mean, I guess.
Not $25.
Yeah, man.
It was like
Yo.
25K.
Yeah, bro.
That's the thought that counts.
That's the thought that counts.
Right.
Yeah. It's about when I wear my ice. I usually.
Do you think it moves when I turn the flash on?
What you mean?
Probably not.
Move what?
This is funny.
Yeah, put the flash on. Whoo!
They hit the same a little. Nah, not really. Nah.
Maybe I'm not moving fast
Yeah,
enough.
yeah, there we go.
I think.
Got it.
Maybe you need another
Put
flash
it a little
to it.
closer. Oh no, don't put it closer.
Oh,
I mean, you can make do, I guess. You just can't wear it everywhere.
Yeah,
Or no,
they
bro.
robbing niggas out here.
you can't put that in something.
Nah,
No, I said they robbing people out here. That's why I just can't take it everywhere.
nah, you can't
I
really
think-
wear it.
I got
Can't wear that,
You
period.
can't
It'll
sweat
turn.
either.
No.
I don't see though. I don't want my hand to turn green.
Let me call him and tell him.
Everything's
Yo.
so big. Look at this.
I mean, you got a little wrist. See if you answer. Hey, I got TT a new watch. Nana Boo Boo. Show him. Nana Boo Boo. Hold on.
Yo.
Oh, he got you a Folex?
Huh? A Folex.
Oh, that's the Fartier.
Damn.
Defend me, dude.
Wait, go in closer. Let me see it closer. Oh, that's a feature Philly.
What you mean?
Oh my
What do you mean,
god.
Oh, that's an FP. Okay.
Defend me,
fake
dude.
Prezi.
He took your watch.
That's a Faudemar Piquet.
Can't even defend you.
Oh, that's a...
TT,
Oh, that's
he
a
took your
Piquet.
watch. Tell him about the watch.
Damn.
Tell him about the watch. Say that
That's
in
the
the
new
booth.
Ain't got
feature.
nothing to
That's
say.
the new feature Philly.
Say, I got a new watch, Nana and the Boo Boo. Just say it.
I got a new watch. Nan and
That's
the
a
boo boo.
40-year
Hold on,
bracelet.
he ain't hear you. Say it again, say it again.
I got a new watch. Nan and the boo
That's
boo.
a fuss. That's a fuss.
Keep
style
talking.
fuss.
Say it again, say it again.
I got a new watch. Nan and the boo boo.
That's a fuss style fuss.
Yo, I'm in love right here. Y'all let me know down in the comment section down below what you guys think about T2's new watch. I think it's hilarious, but yo, I'm in love right here. I'll catch you guys in the next reaction video. Tune in, never tune out. Remember, every day you have a choice. It's your boy ATM, and I'll catch you guys next video. Deuces.